student in Word of Oracle. In this session we will discuss about the Oracle SQL statements. Select statement. Here Oracle select statement is used to retrieve the records from one or more than one tables, object views, etc. Here is the syntax of select statement. Select expressions from tables where condition. Here the expression means the list of columns under which we want to display the records, where condition indicates the particular rows that we want to display, and that rows will be specified with a particular condition, and for that we are using the clause where. For example, if we want to display the all columns of a particular table, then use the star symbol, star character to substitute the all columns. For example, I want to display the all fields, all columns of the table customer, then this example, this statement is there. SQL, in SQL environment, select star from customers. Okay, output will be like that. Here the under all columns the records of customers will be displayed. Here suppose we want to display a particular conditional records, particular rows, particular records of a table, then to display these records, these fields, these records with specific fields, with specific columns, under specific columns, we can use the where clause. Like in this example, shown in this example, here first example shows that I want to display the all customers under the columns. Result will be displayed under the column age, address, salary of those employees whose age is less than 25. Okay, then use of pattern matching operator with select statement, and that pattern matching operator is the like operator. Here the like condition specify a test involving pattern matching, whereas the equal to operator or equality operator exactly match the one character value to another value. The difference is that with like condition we specify a test, we specify a condition which involves the pattern, whereas in equality operator we exactly match the one character with one value or one another value. Here the like condition matches a portion of one character value to another value by searching the first value for the pattern specified by the second. For example, suppose we want to see all records of the employees whose names start with character S, capital S. Then the condition, like condition, will be as follows: select star from EMP where E name like yes percent symbol. Here our condition is that, our pattern is that the name must start with the character yes. That's why the character yes is there, and other characters, whatever be other characters, are substituted with a percent symbol. Okay. Another example, in another example, suppose we want to display the names of employees whose name contains A letter, but that A letter is in second position. For that the statement is that select star from EMP where in name like. Here I am using the underscore symbol which substitute a character, because our query is that the name contains A letter, but that A letter must be at second position. That's why A is at second position and first letter is any letter, any character, and that any character is substituted with a underscore symbol. After that I am used here percent symbol which is substitute the number of characters. Okay. With like operator we use the percent symbol to substitute a set of characters and underscore symbol to substitute the single character. In this example I am used a not keyword with like condition, means we can query the table to satisfy the condition, mismatch the condition like this. Select star from suppliers where supplier name not like percent a percent. It indicates what? Whatever pattern is mentioned here, that type of pattern is not specified or not displayed the records of that table. Okay, now this like operator and select statement, like condition or like operator and select statements, I am sharing the live environment with you. Okay, wait a minute. Here suppose we are creating a simple suppose we create a simple table. There is a table EMP. I am inserting the values. Insert into EMP values. Here one record will be created. Okay, next is okay, second record is created. Now to see the all records of the MP table, execute this statement. Select, here we are querying on a table employee with the statement select. Now I want to display the all records, all fields of the employee table. That's why I am using here the star character. Select star from EMP, which will substitute the all columns. Here star symbol substitute the all columns. Here in this example, all records of the employee table are displayed under the whatever fields are there in employee table. Okay, now I want to display the records of employees under specific columns. Suppose I want to display the employee records under the columns employee name, number and name. Is I want to display only the employee number and name of those employees whose salary is more than 20,000. Okay, for that query is like that. Select, I want to display only the employee number and name of the employee, not salary. That's why I am skipping here the salary column from EMP. Okay, of which employees whose salary, I am specifying the condition on salary column, and I want to display the specific record. That's why I am using here where clause and specifying the condition on salary column where salary is more than 20,000. Okay, this example shows, this execution shows that we want to display the employee number, name from the employee table of those employees whose salary is more than 20,000. Execute it. Here two records will be, only one record is there, Raju's record is there whose salary is more than 20,000. Okay, now moving towards the like operator. Okay, suppose we want to display the records of the employee table of those employees whose name start with capital R. For that we are specifying the query here. Select or executing here query, select star from emp where name like, here I am using a character R percent, means I want to display the list of employees whose name start with small letter R. Okay, execute it. Okay, the records of the table are these three records. All records name, employee's name starts with small letter R. Suppose I want to display the employees whose name contains the third character as a J. Okay, that's why I am specifying here two positions, first two positions, and third position character is J. That's why here two underscores are there, and at the third position J character is there, and after that whatever characters are there. Okay, Raj and Raju's record will be displayed. Okay, see here, Raj and Raju's record displayed here, where the J character is at the third position in the name. Okay student, understood? Now I am stopping here. We will meet in next session with another clause of